I was wondering if you could start by telling me about who you are, what company you work for, and what you do.
Sure. My name is Michael Thien. I work for MSD. I am the Senior Vice President of Global Science, Technology, and New Product Introduction for MMD's for Merck's Manufacturing Division.
Cool. Well, you're here at the Biopharma Ambition conference, and you're going to be speaking, obviously, so I was wondering if you could tell me what you're going to be speaking about.
Yeah, I'm going to be talking about innovation and how manufacturing, while certainly needs to be focused on the what, that is, what type of products we make, we need to equally focus on the innovation that's required for bringing the product the last mile to the patient.
Yeah.
And the fact that some patients have access issues, some of them have authenticity issues, some of them have adherence issues. And we're going to talk a little bit about some of the partnership that we've had with our marketing division in doing very innovative approaches to delivering our drugs to patients.
Well, obviously, Keytruda obviously be your biggest drug that you brought to patients recently. Are there any other drugs that you're going to draw on in your talk?
So actually, I'm not going to talk about any drugs in specific. Okay. I'll talk about categories of drugs, like vaccines, chronic therapies, acute therapies, and the sorts of challenges that we face in access, authenticity, and adherence.
Okay. Obviously, you're in Ireland at the minute, and MSD has quite significant operations here.
Sure.
Could you tell me a bit about why they have operations here and what strength they see in the Irish pharmaceutical industry?
Sure. I would start by saying that roughly about 60% of our top 20 products are somehow touched by our facilities here in Ireland. And our facilities are pretty broad in scope. So we do small molecules, large molecules, and vaccines. We do drug substance, drug product. So we can really cover the whole scope of the possibilities. And the reason we do that is we have a long-standing history in Ireland with the ability to do excellent technical work in Ireland. The processes and products we do here are those that are more technically challenging. And we have always found a strong history of an excellent workforce and really excellent, and I'll say clever, manufacturing that is really adept at adapting to the environment, changing when needed, and always making sure that they deliver.
Really good to hear. So, bounce top of the positives, what then are some of the challenges even that MSD is facing then in the future, like in the areas that you work in? What are some of the challenges going forward?
Yeah, so one of the challenges that we face is that we are, with respect to biotechnology, a relatively new company. Keytruda is our first modern therapeutic protein, our first modern monoclonal antibody approved in years. And so one of the things that we're doing is we're building back up a biotechnology capability. And that capability is not only in the research end, but it's in the process development area, as well as in the manufacturing operations area. And so those are some of the things that we're working on, and we're working on quite a few of those things here in Ireland.
Good to hear. Just one last one on Keytruda again. It's obviously like one of the big players in the immuno-oncology sphere.
Absolutely.
What was the reaction your end to, there was recent news that Opdivo from Bristol Myers Squibb failed, it failed to meet its endpoint in the phase 3 trial. What was your reaction?
How's this? Our reaction is that we stand ready to ensure that Keytruda gets to all the patients who need it, and that there is an unbroken and reliable supply to those patients.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.